Bridges have always been close to the heart of Iranians. That's why it's not surprising to know that the third icon of Tehran is actually a bridge. This massive steel structure, held by only 3 tree-like columns, can take anyone's breath away. A place where people can actually hang out rather than just cross over it. Since it was completed less than a year ago, Tabiat, which literally means nature bridge, has had hundreds if not thousands of people visiting it.
Jag har inte varit i Teheran för nästan 10 år. Teheran har blivit mycket finare och större. Och en av finaste platser som drar till sig mycket uppmärksamhet är den här bron som heter Naturens bron.
The 270-meter footbridge is designed in 3 levels. There's a restaurant on the first level. The second level is mainly for those who are crossing it, either walking, biking, or skating. And the third level is designed for people to hang out and enjoy the view. Quite ironically, the longest pedestrian bridge in Iran also looks onto one of the busiest highways in Tehran, but it also allows you to catch a glimpse of the beautiful parks surrounding it. The bridge is curved. This gives visitors different outlooks depending on where they're standing, according to its young designer, Leila Araghian. So when you're walking on it, you don't really see where you're heading, adding a zest of mystery to your journey.
Der hat mir erzählt, die Brücke wurde von einer 25-jährigen Architektin gebaut. Ich kann es einfach nicht glauben. Und sie verbindet diese beiden wunderschönen Parks. Ich bin ganz begeistert. Ich bin sowieso vom Iran begeistert, aber Teheran und diese Brücke, das ist wirklich ein absolutes Highlight.
Och sen finns det typ blommor också. Det är små lampor. Det är svarta och gula gallrer där. Det finns en bro som är superbra. Och den bron typ går leder till en annan park.
我的朋友告诉我，这个桥在德黑兰是非常有名的，是德黑兰一个标志性的建筑物，很多漂亮的伊朗和德黑兰的画片都是以这个景色为背景的，所以我来到这儿，我就对这个来到这儿拍了很多照片，我也想把这些照片回国以后送给我的家人和我的朋友来一起来享受，真的很美。
Tabiat is a very complex structure. No need to say that with columns that resemble trees and an unsymmetrical curved body, the bridge obviously required complicated engineering calculations. It's no wonder that it has won 5 awards so far, including the prestigious A+ award, which brought it international recognition. It may seem like a very peculiar design. The bridge consists of 3,680 steel profiles weighing 2,000 tons. During the 3-year construction period, installing the 2,000 tons of steel 40 meters above one of Tehran's busiest highways was the most challenging task engineers had to face, ensuring the safety of the workers and preventing construction materials from hitting the cars below. Altogether, 14,000 steel parts were welded together.
ایده اول در معماری از پل خواجه اصفهان گرفته شده. در واقع اتکاء معماری در این پروژه به معماری ایرانی اسلامی است. در ایده همکاران بنده در شهرداری تهران به این صورت شکل گرفت و پایه‌گذاری شد که علاوه بر عملکرد عبور و مرور، خود این پل باید تبدیل بشود به یک عنصر نمادین در معماری و سازه در داخل کشور.
As it has always been the case in Iranian architecture, this bridge too is not just linking 2 parks on the 2 sides of the highway. It's connecting the people by providing a place for them to linger for a while and enjoy beautiful views.
Well, in Tehran, pedestrians are happy, and they will be even more delighted when the project is complete. Isumi Ahmadi for Iran.